Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Hobby Lobby haul. If you're not aware, Hobby Lobby is having their Paper Studios blowout sale, which is 50% off Paper Studios and Stampabilities this week. So if you get a chance, run to Hobby Lobby and see what you can find. I'm going to share with you what I picked up. So I'm going to start off with this box of cards. It's the LOL collection. Super cute collection, and there's 50 cards. You get 10 designs and 5 of each design. So I'll share with you what the cards look like. This is one right here. Really cute, and each card does have some foiling on it, so really pretty. I love this one. This one probably is my favorite, and I love that there's foiling on her heart gold earrings. Super cute. It says you're lovely. This one says girls just want to have fun, and keep in mind this is like a heavier weighted cardstock, so you can use it for die cutting, not just as a card. And you also can fussy cut the images as well, and for that purpose, that's why I got the set. And then this is just super cute for a quick birthday card as well for a girl. This one has some foiling. I love the cheetah print. This one is just bobby pins, super cute. This one says XOXO, and it has the little lipstick. And this adorable girl right here, she's just sitting crisscross. And then we got this one, it's just floral, looks like that. And then this is the last one, and it says hello beautiful, and it has the fortune cookies and like little sayings on them. So really fun set. I'm glad I picked that up for 50% off. I think it's totally worth it for $6. I picked up some more glue sticks. Was running low, and I cannot run low on glue sticks. And this is actually a great brand, in case you're wondering. I picked those up. I did pick up a stamp and die set. I picked this one up. It's my Sizzix, and what is this one called? Let's see. It's called Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice, and there's the number 662271 in case you're wondering. But really cute set, as you can see. I've already played with it. I'm going to share with you in another video the project I made using this stamp set. Really fun for fall. It has fall, pumpkin, harvest, autumn, and then it has the coordinating dies to cut out the words. So fun set there. And I used a coupon. It was a 40% off coupon. I picked up this flare, and it's the messy hair flare, and it was 50% off. So off of $3.99, and I just thought it was really cute to go along with that L collection. I picked up these bows, and they're just black satin bows, really pretty. I picked up this sticker set. It says let's be mermaids. And I picked up this stamp set, which was 50% off, and I really like this. I remember seeing that this was like a newer set, so if you make sure you check the stamps, because they're 50% off if it's the Stampabilities brand. So really cute set right there. I love this one that says mermaid hair, don't care. Love that one. Really cute. And then the one on the bottom says mermaid in training. Super cute. I picked up some gemstones, and of course you got to get these when they're 50% off because they're normally $8. So pick those up, and they're black and silver, or diamond color. I did get a set of these unicorn stickers, super cute. I picked up these swans with the pretty gemstone. Those are only $1. And then I also picked up these stickers. They're dimensional, and I really love this one right there. She has like a little gold bow, and they're puffy stickers, and they're dimensional. They're on foam. So I thought this was a really cute set, so I wanted to pick that up. Super cute, and it was only $2. And then I picked up these unicorn rhinestones. Didn't pick these up before, so I got them for $1. Really pretty. And then last but not least, I did pick up these precision tip scissors, and they are non-stick, and they were only $3.50 with the sale that's going on this week. And yeah, I can never have enough scissors, and I'm thinking about going back and just getting another pair. These are really great because they're super fine tip. They're like the Cutter bees, and they're non-stick, so it won't stick to your paper. So that's what I like about these. And for $3.50, yes, I'm gonna take an extra pair of scissors. I'm crazy like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my Hobby Lobby haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.